สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Kanika. I am the chef de cuisine of Pranakon Restaurant, Kapela, Bangkok. Today we are going to cook one of the signature dish from Pranakon Restaurant. So the first I'm gonna show you the ingredient of the curry paste. Today we're going to make the crab meat curry with the bitter leaf and vermicelli noodles. The ingredient of the curry paste, we will have some garlic, sea salt, fresh turmeric, shallot, black pepper, cafe lime fruit, roasted shrimp paste, dry chili, lemongrass, and galangal. So this one, if the curry you not yellow enough, you can add some the turmeric powder in here. And of course, we have the blue swimmer crab and the bitter leaf. So we just save the time. We just already have the curry paste that we made this morning. So this one we make from the mustard and pesto by hand. And also the ingredient for this, so we have some coconut milk. We will seasoning with the fish sauce and the palm sugar. We're going to start to make the curry. First, we add a little bit of coconut milk. And some curry paste that we made. So if you like spicy, you can add more. So this dish is supposed to be quite spicy, and we just keep stirring. So you stir until fragrant. You add some more coconut milk. So if the color is not yellow enough, we also can add some more turmeric powder. So while we're waiting for this to be hot, we just chop some bitter leaf. Set aside, and some garnish for this later. Some red chili and fresh kaffir lime leaves. Now we're back to the curry and start boiling. We add some fish sauce to tablespoon first. And some palm sugar. First, we'll add a little bit more fish sauce. So the flavors of this curry is quite strong because you need to eat with the vermicelli noodles. or if you don't like the noodle, we can eat with rice. So now we will add some crab meat. We don't need to cook the crab meat too long because this one will be broken if we cook too long. We add some bitter leaves and a little bit of kaffir lime leaves. So this one we will serve with the side dish which we already made. So we have some vermicelli noodles and then some fresh vegetable from our chef garden. Okay, we try one more time before we serve. Okay, I just add a little bit of brown sugar. Okay, this one is cooked and ready to serve. We turn off the stove. And we do this again. We will garnish this with some chili oil. Fresh coconut. So this one ready to serve.